It is my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to turn your image from this to a powerful pencil artwork like this using AI tool or for free with just your smartphone or your iPhone, or you are using a Huawei phone. So before we dive into this tutorial, if you are brand new to this channel and you love AI content like this, consider to click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post valuable content like this, you'll be notified. So the very first thing I'm going to do is to make sure I open up my Google Chrome right here. You can use any type of browser to access the website. From there, you get the app. That is just the normal step. Then open up my Google Chrome browser. I'm going to click on the address bar right here and I'm going to type in to me. Then I'm going to click on search. Now it takes me to this particular page right here. Okay. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on tome.com. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you scroll down right here. Now you have three options that are compatible with this app. The first option here is Apple phone. So all those that use iPhone, you have to click on here to download the app. If you are using Android phone, you have to click on here to download the app. If you are using a Huawei, you have to click on here to download the app. But as for me, I'm using Android phone in this tutorial, so I'm going to click on here to make sure I download the app. Then you take you to the Google Play Store straight up. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on install. After a successful download and install the app, next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on open. The next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on here. I agree to the terms of use and acknowledge that I have freed the privacy policy. Then having tick on here, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on accept and continue. Then click on allow. Boom. So you will be taken in straight into the app. Welcome back, friends. So after a successful download and install ToonMe app, next thing you want to do is to select a template and see how to convert your image to cartoon or to a artwork. Okay, so for me to convert an image to artwork, I have to make sure I click on recent right here. Then it takes me to this page. Next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I scroll down. So I'm going to make use of this template right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then I have to select my picture. So I'm going to use this image. Having selected your picture, click on here to proceed. So here's the result. So we have to download it, and for me to download, then I have to click on the top right here, this three dot here, to download the image. Then I have to make sure I click on save to device. Then I have to make sure I click on download button at the bottom right here. So image saved successful. You can also share the image on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, chat, Telegram, Gmail. You can also print the image. You can share by Bluetooth. You can share by Google Drive, download folder, etc. So this is how to turn your image to dramatical black and white artwork step-by-step tutorial using ToonMe app AI without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.